Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams. I just have a project share, so I'll show you. I made a banner and I used the Graphic 45 Cafe Parisian paper. Have y'all seen this? This is the 8x8. I'll show you the paper real fast. I think y'all have all seen it. It's actually one of the giveaways in Glue Gun Chronicles Facebook. I have once a month I have a challenge and I ask you to alter a jar, use crayons, use roses, something simple that everyone can get their hands on that they don't really have to go out and spend a fortune to craft. And I give away gifts. I made a video of it a few days ago, so go check it out and join Facebook Glue Gun Chronicles. But anyway, here is what the paper looks like. It's really pretty and bright. I love Graphic 45, and I was able to um, find this at Tuesday mornings for $3.99 for the 8x8. I think it's last year's collection, but that's a good thing. So let me show you my project. I did run out of ribbon and I have just enough to put here, and I did go back to Hobby Lobby and get this um, seafoam ribbon, but here is my project share. Can you see this is pink and these are peach? Graphic 45 doesn't use any pinks. Well, they may have a little bit, but they don't. Their color is a peach color, not a pink. So, anyway, but here is my project. Uh, it's on chipboard. I think I got this in a pack at Michael's. It was banners and albums all together. I think for like $4, and there was 20 pieces in it. So go look for that. Um, I don't have it close enough where I would have showed you. Yeah, I might. Yeah, here it is. It comes like this, 21 pieces. And so I use some of it and then those. So I have quite a bit more to use. And you can use this as banners too. It would be really big. Maybe this for just a wall hanging base and all, instead of an album. So then I cut out with a template this shape because it was close to that. Because I did old school. I have these and I used this template and just traced it on the paper and cut it out. And then I have trim here and then one of the cards from the collection because I bought the cards at Tuesday mornings to match. And then pop dotted everything, put a flower. The button is from their collection, and pop dotted, cut out these and pop dotted them and put little stickers here and there, and did it on all three and had it coordinating but matching and all. So there's my project share. I like it. I think it's really cute. Now, what to do with it? Do I gift it or do I hang it on the wall in my new craft room? So I don't know. But there's my project share. I hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by. My links are down below. You never know when I'm going to pop in. So hit that little bell so that you know when I pop in. And go join Glue Gun Chronicles so you can be a part of the sharing is caring giveaways and all. So thanks for stopping by, guys.